Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GIS Cafe. I'm here with Oleg Ponfilenok, CEO of COEX. Hello, Oleg.
Hello.
Thank you very much for coming over here to talk to us, Oleg. So tell us about the company COEX. Where are you guys based at? How old is the company and how many people do you have?
Okay, thank you for the question. Thank you for inviting me here. Actually, we're based in Moscow, Russia, and we have 70 people in our company, and we focused on drones, on open source drones for educational and industrial purposes. Our main product is COEX Clover. It's an educational quadcopter kit. We manufacture it and sell to schools, universities, and colleges to educate the students how to design drones, assemble it, engineering and software part, how to program it in full autonomous flight.
Okay, and this Clover code, do you give it around different universities within Russia or around the world to different universities as well?
Yes, there is a lot of universities in Russia who already use it, but also we sell it worldwide, and we sell it in 10 countries already, in Europe, in Asia, and so on. And not only for universities, but for colleges also. And we're organizing international competitions for university students, for college students, to compete in different tasks such as assemble drones, piloting it, and coding for performing full autonomous missions.
Okay, so you're asking students to design drones from scratch, right?
Yes.
Or do you supply them the parts?
We sell kits for
Okay.
parts, but because it's open source platform, they using our kits for build this first drone. But after that, after this learning, they can assemble, design and assemble a bigger one and make it by scratch.
Pretty cool. Now you also have your own drones, Pelican and Pelican Mini. Tell us about those.
It's a bigger drone, it's industrial ones, and we have the one platform, open source platform, is based on PX4 flight stack, flight controller, and Raspberry Pi 3, like a single board computer. And our bigger drone, Pelican, it's based on this system, but it have bigger propellers, bigger motors, and so on. And that fits for industrial tasks such as surveying, mapping, and so on. The Pelican Mini is a foldable drone like DJI Mavic, but a bigger one. And the Pelican is a bigger drone with 20-inch propellers, and it's have accessories, autonomous charging stations. A drone can land it autonomous in it and just wait for another missions, charge battery, and so on. And our customers can place it in this real estate, some assets, and all missions will be performed autonomously by remote controlling via internet.
Okay. And how do you differentiate your drones from the other DJI drones or other companies' drones? Why should somebody buy Pelican or Pelican Mini?
Yeah, it's a good question. Thank you. So DJI is a very close platform. You can't add additional custom payloads and so on. In our system, it's totally open source. You can do anything that you want, and the idea is we educate. We educate young specialists first. We educate young specialists on our platform, and after that, it will be much more easier for them to use our Pelican industrial drones or create some own drones, because it's not a limit for this imagination for the new task for drones of future.
Do you have customers using your Pelican drone for doing any commercial tasks now?
Yeah, right. Mostly in oil and gas sector, because we're from Russia. We have a lot of money in oil and gas sector, but actually in security and construction site monitoring.
Okay. And essentially these ones, like Pelican or Pelican Mini, they can be remote controlled, and they can autonomously fly also and come back to the base station?
Yes, to come back to the base station, recharge batteries, and fly again.
Okay. And Also tell us about your fabless copter, the modern coaching for US operating.
Sorry?
The Fab Lab copter.
Oh, yeah. We have a Fab Lab. It's our educational and training center in Moscow, and we educate children, hundreds of students there. But it's just one place, and totally we have partnership with another educational centers for the last 3 years. More than 3,000 students have been educated using our curriculum on drones.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, how many students worldwide have used your programmable kit to build drones? How many different universities are there?
It's around 3,000 students, and it's about 10 universities, 150 schools, and 20 colleges.
That's pretty cool. And what is the best way for people to find out more about COEX on the internet?
You can go to our website, coex.tech, or you can support us in our InterGeo campaign to purchase and get your own Clover drone for just $300.
Well, thank you so much, Oleg, for coming over here to talk to us. Have a great show.
Thank you.
This is Sanjay Gangal from GIS Cafe.